Hi everyone, welcome to another watch unboxing video from Sincrono. Today we will look at the magnificent Makina Azazel Swiss Automatic timepiece. The watch arrives very well packaged in an elegant black box with a paper sleeve adorned with gold lettering. Opening the case reveals the watch itself in all its beauty. It is usually protected by a sturdy transparent film. Inside, there is also a microfiber cloth to keep it clean, and a registration card. All simple and effective. The case of the Azazel is sandblasted steel, but the treatment of the surface seems unusual and very appealing. The color appears as an intense gray silver, but matte, as if heavy sandblasting was used, rendering the surface smooth to the touch. The strap is extremely soft and sturdy, allowing for comfort and durability. It sits very well on the wrist with its 40mm curved design. Never intrusive, but there when you need it. The Swiss Made Sellita Automatic movement feels tight, and the crown operation is smooth and precise. The bezel moves unidirectionally, as in the best divers, but it is quite easy to change position inadvertently. For the casual user, it is perfect, although with heavy gloves or with a wetsuit, it would be less easy to operate. With 200 meters of water resistance, it is easy to wear it while working, swimming, sailing, and so on. The Sellita SW260 movement is legendary for being bulletproof. This watch can do almost anything and go almost anywhere you can. My final thoughts are that this Makina Azazel, with its space age mixed with brutalist design and unique features, is worth more than the list price of £850, by a long way. The global success Makina is having with connoisseurs and passionate watch enthusiasts is testament to their exceptional and unique timepieces. All Makina collections are available in the UK through our Sincrono online atelier, with no VAT and immediate delivery available. That is all from me today. See you soon with the next one.